Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In the last video, we learned how to write a research proposal using AI software. We used ChatGPT 3.5 and Gemini for writing a research proposal. If you haven't watched that video, link is given in the description. You made that video. How did we command and what were the results? We also saw that two different research proposals were written by ChatGPT 3.5 and Gemini. The one main difference was that Gemini had used reference section at the end of the proposal, which was missing from the proposal written by ChatGPT. The command we gave in the previous video was I want to do stylistic analysis of Shakespearean poem All the World is a Stage. I want to analyze the use of figurative language in the poem. Please make a research proposal of 1000 words with a unique title and explicit research objective and research question. Please provide the relevant citations as well. So now what to do and how to start writing literature review, how to start writing thesis. So if we are stuck, we don't know what the point should be written, from where we should start, we will again use chat gpt and gemini that would help us or guide us that what point should be used and how we should start. So for this, let's again move to log into our ChatGPT account and Gemini account. So in the prompt section, we will write, please make outline for the literature review of of my thesis. Again, what you have the title of your research proposal, you may write over there and see what are the results. So after giving command, it takes less than a minute to write a proposal. Look at this one. So it has started writing, and now within minutes, it has written research proposal. Chapter number 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it is done. So what it has done in the first chapter, it has written introduction. And introduction, there would be overview of the topic, and then purpose of the literature review. Then again, the next chapter would have a theoretical framework. In theoretical framework, there would be discussed significance of the figurative language and theoretical other work. In the next chapter, analysis. There would be analysis of figurative language in Shakespeare's work. It would have a overview of Shakespeare's work, and then critical analysis of the figurative language used in Shakespeare's work. Chapter number 4 will have a detailed examination of all the world stage. It would have a thematical analysis. It would discuss themes and language. It would also give comparison. Chapter number 5 will have interpretation and criticism. It would have a historical background, and it would also critical analysis. In the next chapter would be a conclusion. It would have summary of the findings. Along with summary, it would have implications and final thoughts, and there would be references. So ChatGPT has a made outline for whole thesis. Command we have written outline for thesis. So has made outline for our complete thesis. Now we will log in to Gemini and see how does Gemini work or what does it do it. Now we open login in prompt, write the same prompt over here. Please write outline for literature review of my thesis. So let's see how long it takes and what does it result. Okay, here goes. Here it goes, and now the outline have been written. Okay, so let's see what has been written. The first chapter is introduction. In this introduction, it would be discussed a brief overview of the work. literature review and highlights the main, you can say, content, main significance, than existing work related to the Shakespeare poem All the World Stage. Okay, we have seen that Gemini has also given some references in the literature review and in other parts. Literary devices and thematic analysis. Chapter number 3 would be figurative language in Shakespeare works. So, in this section, how Shakespeare has used figurative language will be discussed. So, in this second, fourth chapter would be will identify gaps in existing research, and in the end there would be conclusion. It would be summarized briefly, and some other significance of the work would be discussed. So we have seen how ChatGPT and Gemini can help us write outline for our thesis. The next video we will use another software for writing literature review and see how does it differ. I hope that you would have understood how to use AI tools for writing research. And if you have learned something new, please like the video, share it, and subscribe the channel.